In this video, we're going to go ahead and discuss the advanced trade management stop strategies of auto break-even stop loss. Now, to access the stop strategies, what you want to go ahead and do is go into Chart Trader, and you'll notice your ATM strategies over here off to the right. You can go ahead and click on any strategy that you want to go ahead and adjust, and go ahead and hover over this and you'll see Edit. Go ahead and click Edit, and then you'll see Stop Strategy here. Go ahead and click on the drop down menu and go to Custom. Let's go ahead and give you an overview of the parameters. Auto break even will go ahead and move your stop to break even, or maybe plus or minus break even by a tick or two whenever your trade goes, let's say 5, 10, 15 ticks in profit. You can go ahead and choose that setting. I'll get into that in just a second. So the profit trigger here gives you the option of putting however many ticks in profit that your trade needs to go before the stop gets moved up to break even. So in this case here, if I put a profit trigger of 10, the price will need to move 10 ticks in our favor for the stop to go ahead and be moved to break even. The plus is giving you the option of how many ticks above or below break even that you want to go ahead and move your stop to. So for instance, if I put a profit trigger of 10 ticks here, and my trade goes 10 ticks in profit, and I have a +2 here, my stop will be moved to break even plus 2 ticks. I can also set this to -2. So what this means is that when I go 10 ticks in profit, my stop will be placed 2 ticks below break even at that point. So you can go ahead and adjust that as you see fit. Now, important to note here is that all of these strategies here are quoted in terms of ticks and pips. So if you have your order quantity or your parameter type set to price or currency, it will go ahead and default back to ticks when you're using any of these stop strategies. So anything you put here is in terms of ticks for futures contracts or pips for Forex markets. So if I go ahead and I'm into the market now with this custom order. Now every time this market goes ahead and moves in my favor, it'll go ahead and move my stop up to either auto break even. Now you can right click on the market or on an order here and go down and enable break even. Now I have already done that, so let's go ahead and cancel this. Now if I go back and I go ahead and buy the market with my 5x8 stop strategy, if I right click on here and I go to sell, I can always disable the auto break even, but I can always go back here as well and go back to break even and enable it back again and enable the auto trail here function as well.